अच्छा अब बात करें, आई नो कि आपने कहा था कि यू वर टोटली ऑन मुल्तान साइड क्योंकि आप हैं मुल्तान की। सॉरी टू ब्रेक इट टू यू, हमने जो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि मुल्तान हार जाएगी वो हार गई है। यू लिटिल बिट हार्ट ब्रोकन।
I mean, a little bit, but I'm just like, I moved out of Multan, so maybe I got over
Oh,
it
so now
already.
you've changed your mind.
Changed
So
my
she's
mind.
not a loyal fan. अब loyal fan नहीं है कि जब मुल्तान हार गया तो इनका दिल भी बदल गया। वाह क्या बात है। What would you like to say about
Isn't that all of us?
I don't know. You're just not a loyal fan. I think that's what it is. Okay.
Well, I still remember on the day 2023 का जो PSL था, final match Lahore versus Multan. She was like supporting Multan like anything. और what a match that was by the way. Last ball तक गया था मुल्तान was chasing and I think Lahore won by one run.
Last ball,
yeah,
that was.
And वो पूरी because I'm from Lahore and she's from Multan and पूरा इसका खानदान at one side, मैं अकेला at one side.
To the screen.
Yeah.
और ये मुल्तान में था.
Oh yeah, I was in Multan at that time.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We were in Multan.
So how pissed off was your family at him जब match
we were so
लाहौर की तरफ चला गया
Multan's
था.
gonna win, but that last
Last one over I think changed
one over
everything.
ज़मान खान की तरफ से.
And you know,
that changed everything.
तो आपने थोड़ा awkward नहीं feel किया कि oh my God इतने ज़्यादा लोग मेरे सामने बैठे हुए हैं जो मेरे against हैं इस वक्त मेरी टीम के against हैं मैं इधर lone you know I have to wasn't it a bit
I think
awkward?
I got very confident towards the end जब actually लाहौर बेहतर खेलने लग गया था.
अच्छा
But
बताएं
yeah, sorry.
ना तो बताएं like अब थोड़ा सा हमें अपनी personal not well wouldn't say too personal but you know आप लोग की शादी कब हुई थी how many years ago?
It's been 2 years.
Oh nice. So it's not it's you know kind of recent.
Kind of recent, yeah.
तो क्या लगता है leg side क्या
मेरे
होगा?
side से गुजरी आधी बातें.
जैसे खुद just
I just gave you a
leg
hint.
side.
Okay, yeah, when you're standing like sideways और अपनी leg वाली side से
You're supposed to stand sideways. You cannot bat.
Yeah, by the way,
any
you
other way.
can stand, you know, starting
I
like
mean,
this.
like बिल्कुल
that.
sideways.
So if you play on your leg side, where will the ball go, left or right?
Huh.
Leg side.
When the shot is hit, which side
If
is
you're
the
a
leg
right,
side?
if you're a right-handed batter,
yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll go in the opposite direction.
Which is the opposite?
What's the
direction?
opposite?
Yeah, अगर right side से कर रहे हो तो left जाएगी ना.
Acha, then that's the right side.
Oh, so that's the
Oh,
right.
that's the leg side then.
Oh, that's the
That's
right.
अच्छा तो
Okay.
उनको I think
ठीक है, yeah.
she's just catching up with her cricket.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
catching up, guys.
Fielding क्या होती है?
Feelings, of course, like someone who's in the field and you know, like
So then have what's a
Yeah.
misfield?
who's not feeling right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can say
Technically,
that.
yeah.
okay, that's
Chaliए,
fine.
one point to you.
Yeah.
We'll give you a point for that.
Can you
अच्छा,
give an example? अच्छा no.
Come
वो
on,
थोड़ा सा
yeah.
extreme हो गया.
Sorry,
वो
too
थोड़ा
tough.
extreme हो गया. अच्छा, what's wicket keeper कौन सा होता है? वो किधर खड़ा होता है? Rizwan, your favorite player, is a wicket
Yeah, have you
keeper.
seen him
तो किधर
standing?
खड़ा होता है?
हाँ. True.
Amazing,
Yeah.
देखा है?
Two.
Yeah.
She's getting better.
She's got two
Yeah.
right.
Listen, I told
2
you, I
साल
don't
में
know the
इतना सीख
technical
लिया तो I think
terms.
आगे भी आप बहुत कुछ सीख
I have
सकती
a
हैं. I
long
think there's
way
a
to
lot
go.
of hope. There's a
Yeah.
lot of hope. Okay, what about dropped catch? I think the
I
term
mean,
says
exactly. It's so obvious. Like
Okay,
when
that
you
was
feel
not even a
it,
question.
You
The
catch it and then you
It's
drop
not.
it.
it all. The term says it all.
Yeah.
अच्छा, I think
Same questions for me as well.
same questions for you.
Yeah.
Then I think we'll be sitting here just gaining a lot of knowledge. I feel like आप Einstein हैं. You're Einstein of cricket. अच्छा, अब and by the way, you post some really amazing things on
Thank you.
X, guys. You should definitely check his account out on X. His name is Fareed on it. He's got a lot of
Thank you.
followers and a lot of good information. अच्छा, अब हम चलते हैं points table की तरफ.
Yeah.
PSL में PSL के 10th edition का points table हमारे सामने आ गया है. 4 teams have no sorry all the teams have played their matches.
Yeah.
अब सारी teams ने खेल लिया और सबसे ऊपर है Quetta Gladiators obviously because they won by the biggest margin against sorry, they won against Islamabad United.
No, they went Peshawar.
Peshawar, my
Yeah,
bad.
Peshawar.
My bad. Quetta Gladiators won
Yeah.
against Peshawar Zalmi. Obviously, बहुत ही disappointing start
Yeah,
थी Zalmis की
yeah.
तरफ से. लेकिन Quetta Gladiators were amazing, and that's why they sit at the top of the table. Or top 3 teams all have 2 points, obviously,
Yeah.
because when you win a match, you get 2 points. लेकिन net run rate पे base करके Islamabad United is at number 2 and Karachi Kings stands at number 3. अच्छा, points table की बात करें तो फरीद मुझे थोड़ा सा बताएं. ऑब्वियसली सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग मैच तो अभी हुआ था लेकिन जो पहला मैच था इस्लामाबाद यूनाइटेड का लाहौर कलंदर्स के खिलाफ लाइक आई मीन हाउ बैड वर लाहौर कलंदर्स? आप ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि वो इस तरह क्रैश आउट करेंगे पहले मैच में?
I think really bad, even by the standards that they had set prior to winning the 2 tournaments.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, so obviously when you are playing the first match, they were missing a few players as well, and the combination you were not exactly sure which players to play first match में especially.
बिल्कुल.
But वही बात आ जाती है, they had a
उनकी
tag.
बैटिंग लाइनअप बहुत स्ट्रांग थी.
हाँ बिल्कुल थी. Fakhar did not perform, and when Fakhar does not perform, फिर
Then
वो
that's a
team,
problem
yeah,
कि वो लोग अपना
team
they
depends too
rely
much.
completely on Fakhar,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
वो इंजरी से वापस
Yeah,
आ रहे हैं.
yeah.
So
And then they missed Rashid Khan as well, because the two tournament finals
Rashid
that they
Khan के
won,
बगैर बिल्कुल.
and even the two editions that they won, Rashid played a big part in it.
Rashid,
Now
yeah,
he's not
Rashid
here.
has been a huge
Yeah.
part. अच्छा, you must be quite disappointed कि पहला मैच आपकी टीम लाहौर हार गई थी. Good news for you, Raja. Good news for you. Lahore lost their first match. अच्छा, by the way, guys, हमारे पास memes आना शुरू हो गई हैं, so let's go check them out. ये मेरा favorite part है because I love memes.
Yeah.
I love
We
memes.
all
I think,
do.
yeah, I think everybody loves
Yeah.
memes. Shadab Khan got more wickets in his first PSL match than he did in the last two World Cups for Pakistan. Guys, that is very true. Very sad, but very true
Very
indeed. Shadab got more wickets in the first match, but unfortunately, उनकी जो international, performance रही है has been very bad. तो थोड़ा सा, I mean, I think that was a pretty funny meme.
Yeah.
अच्छा, reality तो यही है. I mean,
Yeah.
it was very funny जिस तरह उन्होंने ये point out की है, उधर public में दगा दिए कि these are the facts. लेकिन बताएं कि overall शादाब की confidence, अब confidence की बात कर सकते हैं कि उनकी confidence as a captain in this
Yeah.
PSL और generally उनके confidence के लिए कितना अच्छा था.
I think जिस तरह पाकिस्तान टीम की परफॉर्मेंस है, हम सब प्लेयर्स के कॉन्फिडेंस की बात ही करेंगे, because all of them
बस
need to,
उनको just to get their confidence
all
back
of them need to
बनावे.
regain their confidence जो उनकी परफॉर्मेंस रही है. But talking about Shadab, he has recently been appointed the vice captain of the Pakistan T20 team. He's the captain of Islamabad United, and generally he does well for Islamabad. That is how
he
he got
does.
into
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Pakistan team as well.
They're the only team, वाहिद
Yeah,
team
to
जिन्होंने
win
सबसे
three
ज़्यादा
three
PSLs
titles,
जीते हैं.
and he won the title last year as well as the
बिल्कुल.
defending champion.
बिल्कुल.
And I believe he will do well in Islamabad, because overall the team is good. The mentors and the coaches, they give a lot of confidence to the players. They play a very different brand of cricket as compared to when they come and play in the Pakistan team, because that's a different team.
बिल्कुल, obviously it's a
altogether.
different format altogether.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बात करें बाबर आजम की, obviously उन्होंने तो
Yeah.
अपना confidence, I don't think उनको अपना confidence
obviously.
regain करने में कोई interest है. कोई interest है.
The thing with Babar is वो score करता है तब भी criticize होता है, नहीं करता तो ज़्यादा होता है. Social media is everything. You're basically looking at Babar's runs, his strike rate, even how he walks, what he eats. सब उस पे इतनी scrutiny हो रही होती है.
हाँ, I think वो
Yeah.
कह रहे थे पेशावर, by the way, पेशावर ज़ल्मी के ऊपर काफी criticism कल हो रही थी
हाँ.
कि oh my god, ये लोग इतना ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं, मैच में क्या खेलेंगे, ये इतना ज़्यादा क्यों खा रहे हैं, like people are just
क्या खा
like
रहे
hawks, you know,
Team
they're
bonding
or
session
they
था
have
वो वैसे उसमें,
team
हाँ.
bonding के dinners वगैरह होते हैं, but they have their
Not
eyes
that they had
on
the
him
toss
like
2
hawks.
minutes after the
हाँ,
dinner.
बिल्कुल.
वो-
You know, thank you so much, Fareed, Hassan, and Raja for joining us. We had a great time with you, great laughs, and आपकी cricket की knowledge भी maybe काफी इजाफा आ गया. So well done. I'm sure when you go home, you'll still be teaching her a lot about cricket. You know, moving forward. But so do come back tomorrow. You can catch us every day at 6:40 p.m. Live. We come here live before the matches, and make sure you also catch us at Valley Sports TV. I also want to thank the sponsors जो हमारे साथ इस शो में मौजूद हैं. They are sponsoring us, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for sponsoring us. उसके अलावा Valley Sports TV को do check us out, and of course the wardrobe that I'm wearing is Zeitgeist. आपकी local दुकान है, आप उधर जाके you can go and check out their outfits. They have some really cool stuff. लेकिन इसके अलावा that's all we have for you today. We will catch you tomorrow at 6:40 p.m. It's goodbye from me. Until then.